let me ask you something. You're over 40, you've been putting in the work, training, sweating, showing up week after week, and somehow you're still soft in the middle. Not really bigger anywhere else. That's what they call skinny fat. And if building muscle over 40 feels like it's just not clicking the way that it should, honestly, it's probably not your effort. It's one of 5 mistakes, and I'll be straight up with you, I made most of them myself. There was a time where I tried to out-exercise a bad diet, and I was just skinny fat the whole time. So real quick, here's who's talking. My name is Ed, I'm 49, I train natural, no steroids, no peptides, none of that. Everything I'm gonna show you is what a regular guy over 40 can actually build with some discipline and some patience. Right now, just to give you my measurements, I'm 6'3", 210, 20.5% body fat. All right, here's the mistakes. And number 3 is the one that no one's really honest with you about. The first one, a lot of us are training like the body we had 20 years ago. Back at 25, you could beat yourself up in the gym, sleep about 4 hours, and still grow anyway. At 40, the slow part isn't the workout, it's the recovery. So if you're walking around sore for 4 days, chasing that beat up feeling after every session, you're actually not building anything. You're just digging a hole that you can't climb out of. So here's the fix. Train hard, but train smart. Leave a rep in the tank, give the muscle room to recover. That's actually when it grows. There's times that I went in the gym and pushed too hard trying to chase failure, and I hurt my back, and I had that back pain for about 2 years. The second mistake is you're probably not eating enough protein. And I know everyone says that, but hear me out. Skinny fat is 2 things happening at once. Not enough muscle, a little too much fat. Protein handles the muscle side, but most guys our age think that they're getting plenty of protein when they're honestly not even close. My personal struggle with eating protein is that because I intermittent fast and my eating windows between 3 and 6, it's hard to get all the protein that I need in that small window. But the fix is simple. Build every meal around protein first. You don't have to weigh your food or track every gram. You just have to stop guessing and start being intentional about it. Number 3, this is the one that no one wants to say out loud. A lot of these shredded natural guys that you're watching online on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, they're not even natural. They're on testosterone, they're on peptides. That stuff completely changes what's possible for their body. And then they turn around and they sell you a program like the hard work was the only difference. So you do everything right, you stay disciplined, and your body still never looks like theirs. So you figure that there's something wrong with you and you quit. And that right there is the trap. I stopped comparing myself with people online. I actually ended up getting off of Instagram. I don't go on TikTok because most of those guys are doing exercises that don't result in the body that they have. So here's the fix. Stop measuring yourself against them. Measure yourself against the man that you were last month. Natural progress is real. It's just slower and quieter than what you've been sold. Number 4, stop chasing the scale. We treat weight like it's the problem, but it's really just a muscle problem. If you think about it, if you're skinny fat, doing more cardio and eating less only turns you to a smaller version of soft. The answer isn't less softness, it's more muscle. And that's what actually gives a body over 40 its shape and its strength under the shirt. So lift to build it, eat to feed it, and quit chasing that number on the scale to let it determine whether you had a good day or a bad day. There's been times that I looked at the scale and it said a higher weight, but I was probably more shredded than I am right now. So stop paying attention to the scale. And this might be the big one, program hopping. When you start something and you give it about 3 weeks and you don't see abs yet, so you bail and you jump to the next shiny new thing. But over 40, consistency beats the perfect program every single time. The plan that you actually stick with for a year will beat the perfect plan that you quit in a month. My current plan that I'm on, which is push, pull, legs, but in the order of legs, pull, push. I've been doing that for about 12 months now, and that it's been working better than any other program that I've done because I've stuck to it long enough to see the results. So the fix is this. Pick something simple that you can repeat. Keep showing up even when it's boring. That's the part that nobody wants to hear, but that's the whole thing. So that's the 5. Training like you're 25, not eating enough protein, comparing yourself to guys on drugs, chasing the scale, and quitting too soon. And look, I'm right in this with you. Same age, same stubborn gut, figuring it out in real time. If that's the kind of honest, natural, over 40 fitness that you've been looking for, go ahead and subscribe and let's walk this out together. And remember, it's everyday muscle because masterpieces aren't built overnight. Next week, I'm going to show you my real workout schedule, the real week, not some magazine plan. I'll see you then.